Welcome back to G Mercedes in Cedar City, Utah with this 1982 460 4-door, completely restored and upgraded. The frame completely sandblasted, zinc coated and powder coated. All new bushings. We went through all the brakes, front and rear axle of course. We upgraded to 4.9 ring and pinion. Huge difference with a lot of the high RPM ring and pinions out there, so it makes a complete different vehicle in terms of drivability, getting up to speed, etc. We upgraded to a 350 turbo diesel OM603 if you want to look that up. So that is plenty enough power. We also boosted the pump and the turbo just a little bit. So horsepower around 175, which makes this a super nice driving vehicle with the 4.9 ring and pinion, the 5-speed overdrive transmission, the 3.5 liter 6-cylinder, so that's a huge upgrade. Perfect dash, of course. Only test miles. Locking differential front and rear. Of course your four-wheel drive, which you engage even while driving. Your 5-speed transmission upgraded to AC system, of course completely new. Your rear seat folds down completely to the front, so you would have an absolute perfect cargo space if needed. So as said before, frame completely sandblasted, zinc coated and powder coated. So if you ever want to have something powder coated, make sure that they use at least epoxy or what I prefer, zinc, before they powder coat, because it could crack the powder coat. It doesn't have to. But when you would have a little chip caused by off-roading, etc., then the moisture wants to go under your powder coat. So you can imagine that's not good. So everything repainted inside out. The color is slate gray, for those who would like to know. Also used by Porsche on the 356, the later 356, the early 912 and also the 911. We also added the jump seats, both sides. Your 2-inch tow hitch. We also changed the metal tank, which is normally a disaster, to the plastic one. So we went through all the axles, front and rear. To change all bearings, etc. So absolutely gorgeous condition. And it drives absolutely superb. You cannot imagine that a 460 can drive the way this one does. you would think at least it's a 463 plus some power. Let's pop the hood, start the engine. So your glow plug light comes on. The engine is still a bit warm, so when the engine is warm, you do not have to glow. You can start right away. So once again, your engine at 3.5 liter OM603, approximately 175 horsepower. That is how we calibrated the pump. Mechanical pump, so no electronics. We also upgraded the cooling system to an aluminum radiator and also a bigger water pump. For the AC, we are using the double vans. So once again, running absolutely crazy nice. So all the black parts that you see on the vehicle, all the trim, the fender flares, the bumper corners, etc. It is all new and it is all Mercedes. No aftermarket parts. Your roof rack is the Mercedes style professional, including the ladder. As you can see, they do not have to smoke. And talking about smoking, you can even drive them on biodiesel, synthetic diesel, whatever is available. Just pour it in. Your tire size is 255/85/16, which is no problem at all considering the amount of engine power this vehicle has. So if you have any questions about this 1982, then please do let me know. You can always email us info@g-mercedes.com. So please do let me know if you have any questions about this gorgeous, absolutely perfectly driving 460. Thank you so much. I appreciate your time. And I see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.